Hello everyone. So we are from the second group and today we're going to present about writing assessment. So in today's presentation, we're going to present three comments of techniques in writing assessment. The first one is true or false question. The second one is multiple choices. And the third one is fill in the blanks. So what is actually true or false question? So I'm sure that everyone is familiar with true or false questions. So true or false questions are very similar to multiple choices question, but it only has two answers which are true and false. So this is the item example of true or false questions. So mostly the teacher will provide a paragraph and also some statements with two choices which are true and false. And the students have to choose whether the statement is true according to the paragraph or it is false. How to score true or false questions. So in true or false questions, there are two grades, which are poor and good. If the students can answer the statement with the correct answer, they will get good grade and the points will be 2 for them. But if they cannot answer the questions correctly, so they will get poor grade and they will not get any points. Next is the explanation of multiple choices.
I will talk about multiple choice. Multiple choice consisting of several possible answers from which the correct one must be selected. Uh, Based on Wikipedia, multiple choice is a form of an objective assessment in which respondents are asked to select only correct answer from the choice offered as a list. In other words, multiple choice question is question type, where the respondent is asked to choose one or more items from a limited list of a choice. A multiple choice question consists of a stem, the correct answer, and distractors. So, what are multiple choice questions? Multiple choice questions are fundamental survey questions which provide respondents with multiple answer options. Primarily, multiple choice question can have single select or multi-select answer option. These are the most fundamental question of a survey or a questionnaire where the respondents are expected to select one or more than one option from the multiple answer option. Whenever we think of conducting survey, we think of two things. First, kind of question to ask, and the second one, data collected from the answer to those questions. Essentially, the most important aspect of survey is to formulate relevant questions that will help us extract clean data. Thank you.
Okay, I would like to explain the multiple choice question. Here we adopt the question from the website for 7th grade about tenses. Multiple choice question provide the answer using some choices A, B, C, D, and so on. And we have 5 questions for example, and each question has score 20 for the right answer. And how to calculate or how to score, rubric for assessment, total questions 5, and score each question if the right answer 20, and the total score, the right answer 100. If the all question answered is right, got score 100. If the wrong answer score 0 for each question. How to calculate? Acquisition score times 100, then divided maximum score.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will explain about fill in the blanks. These are questions that might contain a sentence or even a paragraph with a blank space. This space represents a word, number, symbol, or maybe a phrase that the designer has left out on purpose. The learner is required to fill in this blank. They are expected to know the X word or phrase in order to get the answer correct. When can you use this question? Fill in the blanks type question test the recall power of learner and not their ability to recognize or synthesis. Use them for situations where you want the learner to supply the answer based on how much they can remember. It's important that the question have only one correct answer, and the answer should be present in learning materials. The basic aim of this format is to encourage learners to apply the knowledge they have already learned. So they must have access to source material before they are asked to answer the question.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Fauziah. Here I will continue the explanation from Erlysha about fill in the blank type question. Before we go to the question, I will show you the summary text. The summary will help you to answer the blank question. Please skim in this summary and move to the question. Okay, this is the question. I have 5 questions. And how to answer this question? You must find the keyword. And this is, I have 2 keywords. The first is feeling, and the second keyword is trying to put together do it yourself. Back to the summary. Do it yourself product are regularly seen as a source of unnecessary expense of frustration. Frustration is feeling. So the answer of number 1 is frustration. And how to answer the next question? You can use the same strategy. And this is the answer of 5 questions. And how to give assessment? This you can follow this rubric assessment. For number 1, each correct answer is given a score of 10. For number 2, follow the grading rubric below. Okay, that's all for our presentation. If you have any question, please ask your question in this comment section below.